dozens of jobs in the shop and on the job site call for a few strokes with a small saw. If you're tired of pulling out a power jigsaw every time you need a simple 2-inch cut, you'll love Woodpecker's new Jigsaw Blade Handle. Just about every brand of jigsaw blade fits into this handle. Just slip a blade into the collet, lock it down, and go to work. Large blades or small, for coarse work or fine cutting, they all fit. Use a fine cutting blade with no set in the teeth to flush cut dowels and tenons. And narrow scrolling blades work great for small slots. The handle is turned from aircraft-grade aluminum on our precision Swiss lathes, and then anodized for surface protection. The blade collet and butt cap are turned from stainless steel. It all comes together as a tool that feels good, looks good, and will last for generations. And will include a general-purpose wood-cutting blade to get you started. Never be without a small saw when you need one, and enjoy using it when you do. Order your Woodpeckers Jigsaw Blade Handle today.